Good morning, students. So today is the last class for consumer protection, BST, 12th class. And today we'll be discussing the assignment as well as today we'll be discussing assignment as well as the quick recap of the chapter for the better understanding of the chapter. Okay, students. So till now we have done topics in consumer protection. I'm just repeating so that if any student have missed the class, any of the class, then in quick recap, they will be able to understand the concept. Okay. So consumer protection concept and importance. This was our first topic. Consumer protection means providing protection to consumers against malpractices of sellers, providing them speedy and inexpensive redressal. I told you that 2-3 things are required for consumer protection, or we can say those are the key terms for the definition of consumer protection: malpractices, providing safety, and speedy and inexpensive redressal procedure for their grievances, and educating them about their rights and responsibilities. Then why consumer protection is important? 3 reasons are there for that. Consumer protection is important from the point of view of consumer as well as from the point of view of businessman. So consumers of India are mostly ignorant consumer. They don't know about their rights. So that's why it is the responsibility of the government to protect the consumer. Then unorganized consumer, mostly the consumers are unorganized. Widespread exploitation of the consumers in India. Consumers are widely exploited by the sellers by their malpractices and their under UTP, unfair trade practices. So from these are 3 consumers point of view. Then from why sellers point of view, long term interest of the business uses society resources and social responsibility, moral or ethical justification. This is the business viewpoint. Then government intervention. The most important point here are 2, that is the long term interest of the business. If a businessman want to survive in long term, then it has to go for the consumer safety or consumer protection. Okay. Then if the businessman himself is not taking any step to protect the consumer, then the government may intervene. How the government may intervene? In the form of the penalties, fines, even his business activities can be banned or stopped. So next topic was consumer rights. Consumer, as per the Consumer Protection Act 1986, consumer was provided 6 rights: right to safety, right to be informed, right to choose, right to be heard, right to seek redressal, right to consumer education. So in safety, the consumer safety is concerned, and in this right, we talked about all the safety marks like ISI mark, hallmark, food processing order, and other marks. Right to be informed, we talked about the label of the product. Each and every important information, from small to big information, must be given at the label of the product. Right to choose means wide variety should be provided in the form of quality, quantity, purity, should be provided to the consumer so that they can make a wiser decision. Right to be heard means there must be a procedure for the seller or the producer so that the consumer can file his complaints. Right to seek redressal, means getting reliefs. Then right to consumer education means spreading the awareness about the consumer rights and the Consumer Protection Act. As you are studying this chapter in 12th class, so which right you are exercising here? Right to consumer education, because you are getting well information about all the Consumer Protection Act, consumer rights, and what is the redressal machinery is there. So consumer responsibilities: before exercising the rights, the consumer must behave responsibly. He must behave a responsible consumer. The most important consumer responsibility is to go for the cash memo. The consumer should always try to take the cash memo from the seller so that he is in a position to file a case. Then he should check all the quality marks. Then his complaint should be genuine, and he should pay attention for the environment. as well as he must exercise his rights. All these are the consumer protection activity responsibility. Then the Consumer Protection Act 1986 was introduced. Under this, the definition of consumer was given: the person who has purchased the product for any consideration which he has paid or promised, partly paid or partly promised, or we can say which he has made, will be making payment in future as a deferred payment. So this on the services which I told you that in services you have to just replace one word. What is that one word? That to buy, he has purchased, you have to replace this word by he has availed the services. Okay. Then against who can file a complaint? Any registered consumer organization, consumer himself, state or central government, or one or more consumer, legal hire of the consumer. Then the against whom the complaint can be filed. I told you the producer, seller, manufacturer, or the dealer of the services, goods and of the goods, defective goods, and the service provider of the deficient services. Then what are the reliefs and remedies available to remove the defect in goods or service, deficiency in service? Remove, replace, refund. These three are very important. Then to pay the compensation if there was any injury, only then the compensation will be paid. To pay the punitive damages in appropriate circumstances, withdrawal of the product, I told you, stopping the sale of the product as well as banning the product. Then the three-tier redressal machinery: district commission, state commission, and national commission. District commission, 2 members are there, including a women. Value of compensation does not exceed rupees 20 lakh, and complaint can be done, appeal can be done in the next higher authority, which is state commission, within 30 days of passing the order. Then state commission, 35 state commissions are working in India, and president and at least 2 members, including a women. Then 20 lakh and not exceed to 1 crore. And then again appeal can be made to the next higher authority, which is the national commission, within 30 days. Then national commission, all those cases in which the compensation along with the value of goods and services exceeds rupees 1 crore. And what is the composition or constitution? President and at least 4 members, including a women. Okay. Then where the appeals can be made? Appeals can be made to the Supreme Court of the India. Then we discussed the role and functions of consumer organizations and NGOs. So Consumer Common Cause Delhi, Consumers Association Kolkata, educating the general public. So what are they? These are the very less examples. I told you many more when we did this topic in detail. So functions of consumer organizations, what functions they are doing: educating the general public about consumer rights. I told you how they are educating: by organizing training programs, seminar and workshops. Then publishing periodicals to make them aware. They are time to time they are publishing different magazines, journals, periodicals to provide the knowledge regarding the reliefs available to the consumers. Then they are also doing the testing in the laboratories. They are taking out the samples of the product and they are testing it, and they are publishing the results for the sake of the general public. Then they are encouraging consumers to make strong protest and take action against the UTP and the RTP activities of the manufacturer, trader, seller and service providers. Sometimes when the consumers are not able to go for the cases, then they are also providing the legal assistance, legal help to the consumers, as well as they are also filing case on behalf of them, filing complaints in appropriate consumer courts on behalf of consumers. So all these topics we have already done. So today, now we will be doing some case studies. So before going for the case study, I am discussing here your assignment so that you may know the which questions answers you have done correctly and which not. So I am unmuting some of the students for the assignment, and they will be reading the question, and side by side you can check your answers. Okay. So Anshika Agarwal, I am unmuting you.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading questions. Need not to read all the options. Just give them the correct option after reading the question. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Start.
Dash is the standardized mark printed on jewelry. See hallmark.
Yes, very good.
Dash are set up in each district by the state government concerned, state commission.
Yes,
Dash is set up by the central government, national commission.
yes,
Uh, the state commission are set up in each state by state government.
yes,
Consumers should use ISI marked appliances is an example of right to safety.
yes, very good.
Consumers can ask anything regarding date of manufacture, price, quantity, etc. is an example of uh, ri- uh, right to be informed.
Yes,
A consumer has a right to file a complaint and to be heard in case of dissatisfaction with goods or services according to the consumer has a right to file right to seek redressal.
yes.
मैम
Next,
scroll कर दो.
just I'm scrolling. Wait. I think this PDF is incomplete. Wait for 1 minute, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm reading the question now. Okay, beta? Because I'm not having PDF here. Now I'm reading the question and you all will be giving me the answers. So next question of the assignment is dash states that a consumer should know about the reliefs available to him in case of product or services fall short of his expectations. You can open your PDF of MCQs, which I have shared you. You all can open. Okay, students, have you opened? Okay, so give me the answer. That states, yes, right to consumer
Right to
education.
consumer education.
Very good. Yes, Anshika, you can read from your PDF if you are having.
Yes, ma'am. The
Start reading.
Consumer Protection Act provides relief to customers such as replacement of product, removal of defect in the product, compensation for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer,
Yes,
right to seek redressal.
very good. Write little bit fast, beta.
Okay. Dash states that the consumer has a right to pick a product from a variety of products at competitive prices. Right to choose.
Yes, very good.
Most of the reputed firms have set up consumer service
No, no,
and
no, no,
grievance
no, no, no.
cells.
Your answer. You have. Okay, third. Okay, you are going to read the fourth question. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Start again, beta.
Most of the reputed firms have set up consumer service and grievance cells to listen to the consumers' complaints and take appropriate steps to redress grievances. Right to be heard.
Yes, very good. Next.
Dash, Dash states that the consumer has a right to file a complaint and not to be heard in case of dissatisfaction with the product. Right to be heard.
Yes.
Uh,
Gurnoor,
Mahesh.
just a minute, beta. Gurnoor, I have muted you. Unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading next question. Sixth.
Yes, ma'am. Mahesh bought a packet of chips from a local shopkeeper
Speak little
and
bit
found
louder, beta. You are not audible.
Mahesh bought a packet of chips from a local shopkeeper and found that the ingredients given on the label were not legible. He complained about it to the company. The company sent a written apology stating that they will make sure that existing packets are withdrawn from the market and new packets with legible labels are soon made available. Which consumer right has been Mahesh exercised?
Yes. Tell the answer.
Ma'am, right to be heard.
Yes, very good. Next, be a little bit fast.
Rajesh Pal, a marketing manager, is a patient of diabetes for which he takes medicines regularly. One day on his tour to Patna, he met with an accident and was hospitalized due to doctors' negligence. A delicate nerve of his right leg was cut, rendering him crippled throughout his life. Which consumer right has been violated by the doctors under the Consumer Protection Act 1986 in the above situation?
Yes,
Right to safety.
very good. Next.
Which of the following is not a reason for importance of consumer protection from the point of view of consumer? Consumer apathy.
Yes, very good. Next.
From the point of view of business, which one of the following is a reason because of which consumer protection is important? C. Government intervention.
Yes, very good. Government intervention. Read last question. 10th.
10th, which one of the following is not a consumer right? Right to get discount.
Very good. Now, Harshita Sharma, I have unmuted you. Harshita Sharma.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, 6th का right to be informed नहीं होगा.
No. It's right to be heard. It's not right to be informed. In 6th question, it will be right to be heard because here he is complaining. He complained about it to the company. Wherever the person is complaining, in that case, right to be heard is there. Okay. If only the ingredients are there, he had not complained it, then we will be writing right to be informed. Okay. But there the problem was this, that he found that the ingredients given on the label were not legible. But after this, he had complained. So when this right is violated, only then he has made the complaint. So the affected right is the right to be right to be heard, not to be right to be informed. Okay. If only in case study ingredients is talked about, he had not complained anywhere, then right to be informed will be there. Okay. But now after his right to be informed was violated, okay, because what the question says, in question it is written which consumer right has been Mahesh exercised. So Mahesh exercised, which right he has exercised? Right to be heard. And other question mein hota na, which right is to be violated here? Okay, then you will be writing right to be informed. So always read the language of the question, not only the case given. So in this case, two rights are coming in front, but if right which is violated is asked in the question, then right to be informed. But if right which is exercised by Ramesh, so by reading the case study, so we have come to conclusion that which right has been exercised by Ramesh is the right to be heard. Okay, not right to be informed. That right is violated, not by exercised by Ramesh. Okay, Anshika?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Harshita, start with question number 11 to 15. Start fast. Harshita, are you there? I think some. So Mitali, you can start. I have unmuted you. Mitali Jain. Mitali, start. Mitali, I'll be not giving you attendance. So whenever I unmute you, you mute yourself. Every time you does this. So I'll be not giving you any attendance. Make sure. All those students who are doing such type of practices, don't give excuse, Mitali. Every time, whenever I unmute you, you every time mute yourself. I have unmuted you. Nishtha. Now you can start. Nishtha Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. In which
Honey,
year
make
did
sure
consumer
I'm not going to give you any attendance for today. Yes,
in
Nishtha,
which
start.
year did Consumer Protection Act come into existence?
Yes,
Ma'am, option A, 1986.
very good. Next.
A district forum has jurisdiction to entertain a consumer complaint involving product value up to 20 lakh.
Yes. 13th.
Which of the following consumer organizations and NGOs is not in New Delhi? Common
Yes.
Cause.
Yes.
Yes.
No, no.
Question number 14.
It's 13. It's Consumer Protection Council. It is not in
Okay,
New
ma'am.
Delhi. Yes, next. 14.
Which consumer right suggests that a consumer has a right to register his dissatisfaction? Ma'am,
Yes.
option A, right to be heard.
Yes.
Which of the following cannot file a complaint under Consumer Protection Act 1986?
Yes.
A person who obtains the goods with no consideration.
Yes. If you have got the goods without paying any consideration, means someone has gifted you. In that case, for Consumer Protection Act, you are not the consumer and you cannot file the complaint. Next, Shubhangi Pandey. Shubhangi Pandey, I have unmuted you. Shubhangi, I have unmuted you. Thira,
Yes, ma'am.
start. Shubhangi, you most of the time you are also not unmuted. Whenever I unmute you, you mute yourself every time. I don't know why. Yes, Thira.
Which consumer right suggests that a consumer has right to register his dissatisfaction, right to be heard. Which of the following cannot file a complaint again? Which of the following cannot file a complaint under Consumer Protection Act 1986?
Which question
A
you are
person who
reading?
obtains.
Which question? Tell me question number, beta.
मैम सॉरी एक्चुअली मैंने फिर से क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 पढ़ दिया था.
कोई बात नहीं. Start with question number 16.
An appeal for the compensation by consumer can be made to the Supreme Court where a aggrieved party is not satisfied with the decision of National Commission and the value of goods along with the compensation claim exceeds 1 crore.
Yes, very good. Also tell me
Which
the
of the-
option. It's C option.
C option.
Yes, next.
Which of the following is false about the role of non-government organization NGO in consumer protection?
Yes.
It's B. Maintaining consumer documents like cash memo and warranty cards.
Yes, wait, Thira. Naman Jain and Naman Jain is saying that he's not able to understand question number 16. So I'm repeating. An appeal for the compensation by a consumer can be made to the Supreme Court. Which this question means which type of appeals we can make to the Supreme Court. So there I told you that when the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the decision given by the National Commission and where the value of goods and services and the claim exceeds to rupees 1 crore. It means this topic we have done yesterday itself, that only the cases which were originally filed in National Commission can go to the Supreme Court, not the appealed cases of district forum or state commission. For district forum, the highest authority where they can make the appeal is the National Commission. Same is with the state commission appealable cases. The highest authority is the National Commission. Means the cases which were originally filed in district forum or in the state commission, they don't have any right to go to the Supreme Court. So only which type of complaints can go to the Supreme Courts? The cases which were originally filed in National Commission and they were not satisfied with the decision given by the National Commission. I think Naman Jain, I am clear now. Yes, Naman Jain. Yes, Thira, start
Yes, ma'am.
reading.
The
Continue.
quality certificate. The quality certification mark used in case of electrical goods is
Yes.
ISI.
Very good. Next.
The quality certification mark used in case of food products is BFPO.
Yes, very good.
The quality certification mark used in agricultural
Yes. The quality certification mark used in case of the gold jewel, in the case of agricultural product is, yes, very good. It's egg mark. Very good, students. Next, the quality certification mark used in case of gold jewelry. You can give me answer.